Okay, let's start. We need to focus on this project first on the 5380 tab, centerline tab. Okay, so we have to fix all the road system centerline. Okay, which is means that this road, we have to fix this road center lines. We have to press Control 1 first here, like this. Can you see my task, my screen, guys? Okay. So the road system includes road, intersections, and sidewalks, public sidewalks. All right, and we can ignore private sidewalks here on inside the residentials. This one, we can ignore this private sidewalks. Okay, so we only need to focus and fix on this road system. These three road systems: public sidewalk, intersections, and road. Okay, so as you can see, these road lines here have a width or a measurement. Okay, can you see that? These numbers? This is a measurement of the width of the road, like this. Okay, so how will we know if this is the correct measurement? Okay, so we need to generate the final result first by pressing Ctrl S and Ctrl G. Okay, so when you press R, you can see the blue lines here. Okay, so the result here is already acceptable. Okay, because we don't have any strict requirements here on the final results. Okay, unless if it's really too big, like for example, we have you have seen a result like this, like that. Can you see how the line, how the final result spiked here? Yes, if you encounter this um type of error or measurement error, then we should have to fix this one. Okay, it's simply by selecting this on the back line like this, and press Ctrl C to copy, and select this one, Ctrl V to paste, like that. Okay, and always remember, guys, that whenever you edit or measure a new line, you have to save it first by pressing Ctrl S. Okay, like that. Then when you press Ctrl G to generate the final result again, you can see that the lines are adjusted already. Okay, if you're really a quality guy, or you must have to fix this one, then you can draw manually measurement. You can measure manually. Okay, just select this line, then press Q, and as you can see, your cursor is already crossed like that. Then click on the edge and on the edge, like that. So you will have the right measurement on this. Then Control S, save and generate, and you will have a good measurement on that. Okay, okay, so as I said, this measurement is already acceptable. Okay, so we don't have any big errors here or a big spike of measurement, so we can already ignore this one. Okay, this intersection, this one is uncontrolled. Yes, it's correct, because we have no stop lines here or any traffic light, so we can define what intersection is this. So this is uncontrolled, so it's correct. Okay, This one, we have a stop line here. Can you see that? If you select this line in this intersection, it's been tagged as intersection stop control. Okay, so this intersection is already correct again. So I don't have to fix this part. Let's continue checking. By pressing R, you can check also the final result here. Okay, like that. Okay, so I guess this part is not correct right here. Let me check again. Okay, so I will go back to control 2 to the polygon right here. Okay, so I guess the stop controlled intersection would be like this instead. Okay, and on this one I will cut this also and tag this as road in the middle, like that. And this one, what intersection should we tag on this, guys? Let me ask you first. What? Yes, correct. So we will tag this as uncontrolled. Okay, but on the control 1, on the lines, we have to change it also. Okay, so we have to cut this lines, and this one we need to change this also to road, like that. This one road, and this one we have to change this into uncontrolled, like that. Okay, do you get that, guys? Okay, so let's continue. So the final result here is already a correct and acceptable. Excuse. Okay, so we will move on into the transportation product here. Okay, and this transportation product, this will come the rule number 2: fix errors for planting strip and crosswalk attributes. Okay, so if I zoom out, I can't see any crosswalk here. Okay, no crosswalks, no planting strips, so we will skip this number 2 rule. But if you encounter a task with planting strips and crosswalks, make sure to tag them correctly. Okay, okay. So after this, we will skip the planting strips and crosswalks here. This through is cannot be selected. Why? Because we are here on this category, these two categories. We need to press Ctrl 3 first. This time we can select the through. Okay, this through. And we also need to check the final result here. Ctrl S, Ctrl G, then check. Okay, this is correct. A through. This through is wrong. This is only on the edge, like this, on the edge of the intersection. Okay, do not overlap any lines here. And this one on the, okay, this is a road shoulder, I guess. Yes, it's a road shoulder. So the system is already tagged correctly, so we don't have to change it at all. Okay, so this connection line, like this, it's a relatable as an assist line, like that. Okay, so I know that you already worked on transportation tab projects, so you are already familiar with assist lines. Okay, so this connection line is already is also related on that. Okay, this is left turn, this is correct. Okay, the edges are correct and connected. This one, I guess we have to delete this and drag the line here on the edge. Okay, and okay, so we all, the task is already good on this. And okay, so we are done here. Okay, here, I need to fix this one first. Always remember this, guys. This one, we have to accept this one because the lines here are already made in the center, right? Slightly on the center. Yeah. So we have to accept this. Okay? Only this, we will fix this one because the line is correctly here, stopped here. Okay? Do you get this, guys? Okay. So this task is done. Okay, so we have a topo error here, overlap forest, sidewalk. So we have to go to mixed polygon here, like that. So we have a small sidewalk here, so just merge it. Unique center line permitted. What happened here? So um as you remember, we did editing on this part. We forget to go to the center line here on the transportation, control 3. Let's check. Oh no, I guess it's here on the land and control 1, like that. Let me check this. Okay. Why it's giving me the error here? This is already correct. Why? I think let's
Maybe some uncontrolled intersection enters the road.
here.
Is there is this
Or let's try this. Okay, let's try this one. Let's measure here and copy this. Okay, Okay, let's try to check the topology. Yeah, here it is. So if you encounter like this one, you just need to have some tricks here, like this. uh, okay, I guess I need to save and generate the final result first, because I've edited here again like that, so it's already okay. Let's submit it. Here on the second task, again, first press Control 1, Control S, Control G, check the like this. Can you see this? It's terribly wrong or shifted like that. So you need to adjust a little bit here. You need to put the line on the center. Okay, so let's try again. S, Control G. So that's it. Okay, so you need to put the line on the center so that the final result is not it's not shifted. Okay. um so this task is it's like a bonus task. We have no, we can check the, so we have no through here. I guess we have, I guess we have to put a through on unpaved road. I guess we need at least we need to put a through here. Okay, so if there's any no big spikes on the width, then it's okay. Okay, so the neighbor is not aligned, so we have to adjust here, just to put a line here a little bit and adjust. And I guess the neighbors did not put through here, so I guess okay, so this is a dirt road, so maybe I guess it's not necessary to put a through here. It's a dirt road. Okay. Okay, so this task is already done. We have one topo errors here on land, so we can check the mixed polygon like this. See, the problem is the sidewalk. I think you gotta follow, just follow the neighbor. Okay, and we have also problem on the center line on the side, this sidewalk. Maybe some labelers not following. As I said, we can ignore private sidewalks, but some labelers, I don't know, but it's not our fault. Okay, just let us copy the width and topo errors here, and the road border Sidewalk, I guess it's okay now. Check the topo. With okay, so we have to copy this. It's a little difference. Okay, Control S, Control G. Okay, so it's not that a big of difference on the neighbor, so we should accept this one. Okay, then submit. Just don't forget about this number 2 rule. Okay, the planting strip and the crosswalk attribute. Oh, why? I already copied that. Let's check the through. I guess, okay, it's the through. It says here 10.4, then mine is 11.15. Let's copy them. Okay. If it's not a big of difference on your measurements, neighbor measurements and yours, then accept it or copy it. Okay. If the neighbor is too big of difference, then you should report the neighbor. Okay. This one is okay. So submit. Okay. Any questions, guys, on this?
If we see the crosswalk in planting stage 0, then we learn it.
On the crosswalk and planting strips, let's look at this task if there is any. Okay, we have no just a minute on this task. I guess we have no. Okay, on this task we have a little bit of planting strips here, like this. You can see the planting strips also in the control 1 on the transportation product, like this. It's the same rule. You will check if it's correct final result or any big spike or on the measurement. But if it's slightly off, that you can accept results here, like that. For crosswalks, we have no. And this is a long driveway, so we can ignore crosswalks here. We only focus on the road. We have no crosswalks. I will try to pull a task. This, like this, planting strips. I guess we have to fix this missing one, like this. Can you say this one? Okay, so all you have to do is click this grass and Control V to make it double, and right click and click on the planting strips, like that. And you can go back to the transportation product and press Control 1. Okay, then just extend this line, or make a new line here. Make sure that you snap on this planting strip line also, and you can measure it manually by pressing the line and selecting the line and pressing Q, like that. Okay, so we have already a measurement here. Control S, Control G. So we have a measurement now. So this one is already okay. Make sure you fix the planting strip, missing planting strips, missing line on the planting strips. Same as on the crosswalk, but I guess we okay. So we have here crosswalk here. So again, crosswalks are seen on the transportation. Okay, you have to press here on the transportation product, then control 1, then check if this crosswalk is correct category, on the correct category. So it's a standard one, so this one is correct, and maybe a little wrong here. So you will fix this one like that. You get do you get this, guys? Just fix the line, okay? And also we will see also the final result on this crosswalks like that. So the final result on crosswalk is here and here, so it's perfect, right? The width is perfect. And this planting strips also, double check if there's a missing part or a missing line on the planting strips. So this part is all good. We have no missing one. Okay, so this slightly spiked width of the planting strips, you can ignore this one. I don't think that these small ones, or let's try it. Let's try to put missing line here. Always remember to put it on the center. Okay, so we have to do that also. If you see a planting strips with no lines, then you should draw them like this and measure it manually. Okay, like this, missing one. Okay, so that's for the crosswalk and planting strips. Is it clear already to you guys what you have to do? This one is mid block, and the measurement also correct. The tagging is also correct. Then you don't need any heavy edit on this task. You know that there's a simple, quick, and but just remind you for the missing lines and not straight lines. You have to fix those. Okay. But remember, the first step is always on this land. Okay, click the land, control 1, check the road system lines, this intersection, check the final result if the measurement is already correct. This driveway center line is also connected, then it's all good. Then after you finish on this land with center line, you can move on the transportation. Okay, then press Ctrl 1 to check the crosswalks and planting strips. After you do that, you already checked the final result also, the lines, the missing ones. You can press the next step is number 3 step, the control tree. Okay, now this control tree is where you can find the center lines, the through, the middle turn, the shoulder. Okay, so you also need to check this final results here. If there's no spike, this spikes here is normal. Okay, just ignore this one. This spikes, this, The spikes inside, just ignore that. Okay, this one, ignore. Okay, this one, ignore. Just double check if the lines here are correctly tagged, and no big spike on the measurement, just that. This one is also normal. Okay, okay, so are we clear, guys?